Yabona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngegame ye-AFCON Bafana versus Zimbabwe. Okay, si-through to round of 16, sinama-point awu-6. Okay, uma uyibheka kanjalo, well done to iBafana, but indlela esidlala ngakhona it's not convincing. Impinda ngumfana odlala eRomania, ungezana is not doing well. Angifuni ukukriticize ama-players, but I wanna say my opinion ngendlela engibona ngakhona. Ungezana is not fitting kwi-structure sethu. Why? iBafana ikwazi ukudlala kahle mangabe ikwazi ukucontrola igame. That is ukubeka ithebo phansi and then bese siphuma ngama-1-2. Now we need ispine sethu sibe strong from center back to holding to a striker. Ukuze sikwazi noma let's just say to number 10. Now we playing wide. Ungezana benombokazi are playing more like our midfielders bagcina kakhulu ibhola. Lento yenza ukuthi opponent ikwazi ukuthi simake fast, ikwazi ukuthi isicinele ibe compact, sidlale kuma areas where singezoba khona ingozi. How many times you've seen uMoremi ethola ibhola and then turning back efesa again ibhola? That's because Ungezana can't play from the back. Mangithi I can't play from the back, angisho ukuthi uma ngabe ethola ibhola emuva akwazi ureceiver apass. For sure umdlalo webhola kunezimo ezincane ezimdeterminayo where emele aphase khona ibhola under pressure, afuna ukugqumuza and then libuye fast, nama errors awenzayo. He's good ekubhulisheni ama-defender i-striker, but maybe siyamdinga kwamanye ama-moments of game. But we need a ball playing center back ezokwazi i-complement umbokazi, because now uhlala ibhola long ball from umbokazi to i-winger to i-cross. Okay guys, and then coming to midfielders, uSithole is a center back njengamanje. It doesn't play like a midfielder. Uyasaba ukudlala, uyasaba ukuvela espacing, uyasaba ukwenza ama-foul. Like ama-foul are critical. Ama-foul awenzayo awanasidingo and ayasikhosta njalo. uSithole uma ngabe khona asibi like asi-boss imidfielder. We wanna see a proper number 8 noma a number 6. Namhlanje wenze kahle ukwenza ama-run eboxini. I'm proud of him ngaloko, but it doesn't give us anything. Opas is not my favorite player, but namhlanje he did well ukudlala ama-short passes. Yenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi i-momentum ehlike siphase ibhola. Even eGermany mangabe ibhola ungathuli uba frustrated. iBafana is always frustrated. Njalo ubona ibhodi language Mbule if ibhola bengatholi. Coming to Mbule, it did well, but now i-problem ngibone i-fatigue kuma-players 8 amaningi. I-fatigue ibebashaya abadlali. I was hoping ukuthi Bruce will put uRele kuleya ndawo and then put uMakgopa, maybe put on uKabini instead of lapha endaweni yaModiba, because bese ngisaba kakhulu ama-crosses nanokuthi uModiba bese ngibona angasukhathele. So as amagame eqhubeka njengane AFCON edlule, we saw ukuthi abadlali bethu bashawa i-fatigue nama-injuries. So ucoach wethu njengamanje is playing if 11-1 nanoma ingasebenzeli indlela esifuna ukudlala ngakhona, but because siyakwazi ukuwina ngale ndlela afrehlele ngakhona. I wanna say it's good and bad, because vele i-tournament ayifani ne-league, like more like ama-playoff. I-tournament you need i-plan yokuwina, but iBafana need to play according to strength sethu. Kulama game ayi-3 we didn't play well, so when I will assistant, but I wish we can go back to our ways. So what is solution engiqhamuka nayo? We need to play uSibisi Nombokazi ku-center back, keep left and right wing. We need to play Mbatha beNomkwena, because uMkwena akaveli mangabe khona uSithole bobawu-2 bashayisana. And we need to play Mbule, and then we need to play uMoremi, we need to play uApolis, or play uRele no Moremi and play uFrosa and then inside him ngoMakgopa, because uyaphelelwa amandla. And another player that I think kumele alungise is uNkota. UNkota needs to fix